Okay, hello everyone, Samantha here. I'm just popping on here to show a project that I'm working on. I am not going to talk through the entire video because there is a lot of noise in the background. But I wanted to quickly share this relaxing project that I'm working on. I use a cereal box to start it, and I'm gonna use some other materials. I want to make. First of all, let me say I have a washi storage here. I'm gonna try to download the video from my group and see if I could show my washi storage. But I wanted to make a separate storage for the plain washi, because sometimes I just need plain colors and I don't want them all embedded inside of the other storage space I have for them. So I thought I'd make a mini storage box for it. And so yeah, I thought to make something. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this project. So what I'm using, I use the cereal box. I have this paper book here. It's called Love Paper. Beautiful papers for gorgeous gifting. I use it to make tags and things. I have this hole punch. I have some masking tape. I also have some reptile glue that I use to, put the edges together. And I need to do some more of that because, as you see, it don't come all the way up. But then again, I may not need it to. Well, I'll see. I have some. Oh, this is acrylic paint, but I want to get the gesso. I thought this was the big gesso. It's not, but I'll get it. I have these paint brushes here. I have some construction paper. I also have a sander because it helps to sand this stuff when you're painting it. And whatever paint or tape or adhesive you use, it will stick to it a little better. Hold on one second. I want to get the I want to see if I can find that gesso. Hold on 1 minute. Oh, here we go. Right here. Yeah, this is right here. This is regular gesso, not clear gesso. So yeah, so that's it. So you can enjoy the process if you like things like this. Okay, and I'll play some music while I'm doing this relaxing art project. I'm done with the box. And you know, I could have bought a storage unit for this. It would have been much simpler. But I kind of just wanted to make something out of the cereal box. This is curved a bit. This one is curved a bit. I don't like that this is curved, but it is what it is. Let me see if I could like straighten it out a bit. Yeah, but it's the washi could still fit in. This one slides in and out. Okay. And this one could go in here. So now I'm going to take the washi, the solid color washi, and fit it in. Okay, so my project is done, and again, see, this is straight here. It's just bowing a little bit because this is bowing. You see it? But I can flatten it out and put it straight. Yeah, there we go. That's much better. And this one is bowing too, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna too much fuss with it. But this is it, and yeah, I like it. I like it. It's a little artsy project. You know, I wanted to do something different. And you know what too? I could even slide this in one of the sections if I wanted to make it like tighter, which I do. So I could do that. And I could even slid it in here to make this even tighter, since this is really bowing. So I could do this, but I don't know. No, I don't want to ruin this because these are all hot glued in. And this is fine. This is not going anywhere because I put the stopper. For when I run out, I think I'm going to make stoppers for all of them. So I can always just like put a little something so it won't fall flat. But for now, I'll put this here and use that if I need it. So maybe I'll get even smaller washi. I could use it. So, oh, it's upside down. So yeah, yeah, that's my little project there. And I like it. So I'm gonna leave a still photo at the end of this video, and also put it on my Facebook page, not my personal page, but my creative arts page. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.